what's up, guys? I'm Sarah with Rusty Dog & Co. And today I'm doing something that I have put off doing for a really long time. And that is changing out the filter bags on my Hercules dust extractor that I have here. Now, I bought this thing, I want to say maybe a year and a half ago, maybe 2 years. I'm not exactly sure when I got this thing. I have been loving using this thing so far. It has dramatically sort of changed the way I work. I used to work outside a lot just because I wanted to cut down on the amount of dust that was inside while I'm doing things like sanding or cutting. But since I got this thing, I've been able to move inside a lot more, which has been really nice because it's currently 20 degrees outside. So to not have to be working outside is clutch. Being able to hook it up to tools like my sanders, my circular saws, things like that to really capture most of that dust has been awesome. But I haven't done the best job of maintaining it. I put this thing through the ringer. I kind of was noticing the sound was a little bit different recently, and I'm thinking maybe that filter bag needs to be changed. Plus, I've got some buildup there, which could also just be typical from where the hose sits. I'm probably well overdue for replacing that filter bag, so we're gonna do that today. Now, the whole reason I decided to make a video about this was because when I went to find the filter bags for this dust extractor, I couldn't find them anywhere. I went on Harbor Freight's website and I typed in dust bags for Hercules dust extractor, nothing. I went to the Hercules product page on their website to see if there were like any similar items. Sometimes they'll have accessories and stuff, you know, that go with a product, but again, niente. So I was basically trying to figure out how the heck I was even gonna be able to replace these bags because I couldn't find them anywhere. So I actually found the item number for these dust bags from a thread on Reddit. So whoever posted that on Reddit, thank you so much. That allowed me to have the SKU number that I could then plug into Harbor Freight's website, and it pulled it up instantly for me. So I'm not sure why they don't come up on their own. If anyone at Harbor Freight's watching that might be something you want to look into. Thankfully, I got that item number, and to all of you that are in the same boat that I am and you're looking for the filter bags for this Hercules dust extractor, let me help you out real quick. That item number, and I'll pop it up on the screen, is 606513. 606513. So if you take that number, you go to Harbor Freight's website and you type that in, that should pull up the dust extractor filter bags for this dust extractor. So one thing I've got to mention here is that you can't just take that number and plug it into the search bar on the main homepage. Instead, you have to find the parts section on their website and select that. Once you're on the parts page, then you can plug in that part number and that'll pull up the 3-pack of filter bags. I mean, would it have killed them to include a picture? I mean, come on now. From there, you can add them to your cart and complete your purchase. An interesting little side note here, while I was on their website today making this video, I saw that they do carry some filter bags for the Bauer shop vacs that look very similar to the ones I ordered. They say they work for 12-gallon shop vacs, so these might also work for the Hercules dust extractor since it's also 12-gallon. Now, these come in a 2-pack and they are much cheaper, so I'm wondering if perhaps they aren't quite as substantial as the dust extractor ones I ordered, but it might be an interesting experiment. If anyone has ever used these filter bags for their Hercules dust extractor, let me know. I'd be curious if they work just as well. So here they are, and this is a 3-pack, so there's 3 of these filter bags in there. Let's see, when I bought them, the price was $36.51. It does look like I got free shipping on this, so that's nice, but with tax, the total came to $38.45. So that's not terrible for 3 filter bags for this dust extractor. Now, I will say that it took quite a long time for them to get here. I think from the time I ordered them to the time they arrived at my door was like maybe 4 weeks, 3 to 4 weeks. So that feels kind of like in today's day and age when we've got the quick shipping, that felt like a long time. I'm not sure if that's typical. I've never actually ordered anything from Harbor Freight's website, so maybe those shipping times are just typical. But I will say that did take a little while to get here. So if you know you need them, go ahead and order them because it might take a little bit to get here. So anyways, I just wanted to share that with you guys if anyone was kind of in the same boat looking at replacing these filter bags. Thought maybe I would film it to give you that SKU number, but also to kind of show you the whole process, see how simple or not simple that it is to change out these filter bags. Let's find out together. Stick around. I see the problem. But I just want to show something to you guys right now. This is just, I think that sound was because this is literally just chocked full. So the filter bag definitely needed replacing. Why these filter bags are so important, and I'll bring the camera in close in a second, but these are the 2 HEPA filters on here. And they are pristine. I mean, they're not dirty at all. I don't see any dust in there. So that filter bag is really keeping all of that fine dust from getting into those filters. Also, I'm just taking my finger and running it along the tub here. Minimal to hardly any dust in here. Maybe a little bit toward the front where this was overflowing. Super impressed with those bags. Let's get this out of here. Let's get a new one in, and we'll be back in business. Little bit of advice, don't let it get this full because now I can't get the bag out because it is packed in there so much trying to get it out of this. But I think I'm gonna go get some help, see if Phil can come down here and we can both kind of wiggle it out of there. Oh.
My butt's right in the camera.
Well. Whew. That sucker was full. Let's see if she sucks. Oh yeah. Alright guys, and that is how easy it is to change out these filter bags on these Hercules dust extractors. I didn't think it would be that difficult, but who knows, this is the first time I've ever done it, so I wanted to kind of bring you guys along for the process, and I thought maybe too it might just be helpful to know exactly which filter bags you need to buy for this thing, since it doesn't seem very obvious out there on the internet. This thing is sounding so much better now that I changed that filter bag out, and I can totally tell why. That filter bag was so packed full. I mean, it was so tight in there because it had just built up with so much of that really fine dust that it made it really difficult even to get the bag out. That's why I had to get Phil's help. So someone was kind of like pushing down on it while the other one was pulling. So you definitely don't want to let your bags get that full. I was probably about 5 or 6 months overdue on changing that bag out. I think I'll just make a mental note of that so that way I don't go 2 years without changing my filter bag next time. I'm trying to get better about maintaining my tools as I go just so that they last longer. That's somewhere that I have a lot of room for improvement on. So hopefully this will just help me continue to get better at maintaining my tools, but we'll see. So anyways, I thought this video might be helpful to some of you who have this dust extractor and we're kind of in the process of needing to think about changing those filter bags. If you found it helpful, make sure to give this video a like for me. That's something small you can do that really does help me out, and I would appreciate it. All right, guys, I'll be seeing you guys again soon for my next build. Bye.